Hey Jamal, this is Scott here, Gresham Toyota. Just showing you where the seatbelt is set up. Seatbelt's right here. Actually, the clip and everything, not really attached to the seat at all. Here it is right here. Seatbelt goes down, it goes to the floor, and then your attachment's just on the seat. So there it is. There's how it's set up, and then the seatbelt's just right over here. Goes down to the floor. But yeah, it looks like it is attached to a piece on the seat, just like this guy here. Oh, sorry. Kind of how it's set up. There's where it clips into. And there you go. Thanks again.